Hello, good morning. Today we're going to Catalina Island, the airport in the sky. Catalina is located about 22 miles west of Los Angeles area. It's 22 miles long and 13 miles wide. It used to be owned by William Wrigley of a chewing gum company, who at the same time owned Chicago's baseball team Cubs. So they would actually train on Catalina Island. In 1920s, there's been several movies shot on the island, and the movie stars would come back to the island to relax and enjoy on vacation. Once tourists find out about it, they would follow. It would take about 2 hours on a steamship to cross from LA. Now you can fly there for just 20 minutes, but we're flying out of San Diego, so it will be about 50 minutes flight. Catalina Airport is located on top of the mountain, offering carrier-style landings. The airport had a number of incidents and accidents due to its challenges. If you haven't flown there before, it's highly advised to fly there with an experienced instructor first. I'll also link in the description and here a great video explaining in details all of the challenges flying to the airport. So we check the plane, we will get on and we'll see you there. Montgomery Tower, Cessna 797 Romeo Juliet at 28 right, ready for takeoff, westbound departure.
So 797 Romeo Juliet, Montgomery Tower, westbound approved, right, 28 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 28 right, 797 Romeo Juliet. Alright, camera, lights, action. Okay, making sure nobody is on final, all looking good. Peels off the brakes. Right, RPM looking good. Air speed alive. Oil pressure, oil temperature in the green. Waiting for 60 knots. 60 knots.
Montgomery Tower, Divider 7 uniform, ready for takeoff 28 right in sequence.
Right rudder.
Same direction flight.
And right downwind departure.
Divider 7 Delta uniform, Montgomery Tower, right down departure, approved, right, 28 right, clear for takeoff, Cessna output is straight up.
Okay, clear for takeoff 28 right, right downwind departure, 7 Delta uniform.
Cessna 7 Romeo Juliet, contact SoCal departure 119.6.
Off to 119.6, 797 Romeo Juliet. SoCal departure 797 Romeo Juliet, 1500.
797 Romeo Juliet, SoCal departure at contact, maintain now VFR, the altimeter is 3000.
3000, maintain VFR 797 Romeo Juliet. Alright, we're looking for traffic. Alright, so we're flying 1500. So we're below Class Bravo. Alright, we're getting out of here. We can start flying. Oil temperature, oil pressure, looking in the green. That's Carlsbad Airport. Alright, 1,000 to go.
Golf, C copy.
Tower 7 Romeo Juliet, turn left, resume navigation Avalon for traffic.
Turn left, resume all navigation 797 Romeo Juliet. Alright, off we go. Oil temperature good. Oil pressure is good.
Number 22D5, can approach 24-1.
SoCal approach Cessna 797 Romeo Juliet, level at 6,500.
November 797 Romeo Juliet, SoCal approach. Avalon ASOS is available on 120.67. Report the field in sight.
120.67. Will report field in sight 797 Romeo Juliet.
Catalina Airport, Avalon, California. Automated weather observation 1727.
Traffic
40 at 06. Visibility 10.
Southwestbound has
Sky
no
condition
altitude
clear.
indicated.
Temperature 26 Celsius. Dew point 18 Celsius. Altimeter 3008. Remarks. Density altitude 3000.
Okay, can you give me descent checklist?
JetBlue 1007, they're passing off your left wing in about a mile and a half, still southwestbound.
Picture.
We're still looking, JetBlue 1007.
Richard?
Fuel both.
Fuel both.
Carb heat as required.
Okay, carb heat.
ATC EVOS.
Got it.
Altimeter set.
Set.
Instruments.
Huh?
Instruments.
Instruments.
JetBlue 1007, I'd say
HSI
the traffic
compass.
no factor behind you now.
Okay, inside the compass.
125.35.
That's the airport.
0206, ident.
We're gonna go to the harbor and then come back. Okay, seat belts, all good, unlocked. And SoCal approach Cessna 797 Romeo Juliet would like to cancel flight following.
7 Romeo Juliet, traffic observed over the Avalon Airport indicates 1,700 and traffic about a mile east of the airport has no altitude indicated. Radar service terminated. Squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved, thank you.
4,000,
Okay, look for
maintain 280 knots.
Catalina traffic, Cessna 7 Romeo Juliet, just about 5 miles east of the airport. We'll go to the Tuke Harbor and then come back for right traffic for 22 Catalina. Going to be at 4,000 right now, 797 Romeo Juliet. Alright, looking for traffic.
Carolina, Catalina traffic, 6 X-ray Mike, turning final 22.
Okay, 3,000. Okay, let's do preliminary.
Landing light on.
On.
Autopilot off.
Off.
Seat belt harness.
Okay, seat belts, all good.
Mixture best power.
Okay.
Carb heat on.
Uh-huh.
Fuel both.
Both.
Flaps.
As required?
Yes.
Okay. Carolina traffic 7 Romeo Juliet over 2 harbors, making left turn to the right traffic for 22 Catalina. Carolina traffic Cessna 7 Romeo Juliet on the 45 for runway 22 Catalina. Catalina traffic Cessna 7 Romeo Juliet on the right downwind 22 Catalina. Okay, Catalina traffic Cessna 7 Romeo Juliet, turning right base 422 Catalina. Catalina traffic 7 Romeo Juliet, turning final 422 Catalina.
Stock 101 Foxtrot on the 45 for runway 22.
Carolina traffic, Cessna 7 Romeo Juliet, off the active Carolina.
Position eastbound and wishing everybody a wonderful Saturday morning.
2,300 feet.
Alright, a couple of things to remember once you get to Catalina Islands. First of all, this is not the bus we're gonna take to the Avalon, but there is a bus and it costs $32 for the round trip to the Avalon. And the important thing, if you come here during the summer, you're probably better off to make a reservation. So we didn't make a reservation, I completely forgot about it, but we had 2 last spots, so we got those tickets. And we also have a return ticket for 4 o'clock. And besides the bus trip, you also need to pay $25 landing fee. You go up the tower and you pay $25. The airport is owned by the island. It's like a park basically, and they maintain the airport. And the airport condition is okay, but they have some potholes, so they need to fix it up, so this money goes towards that. So we're waiting for 12 o'clock where we're gonna take the bus and go to the Avalon. And there's one more option. It's for $150. You can join Catalina Airport Club, and it gets you unlimited landings during 1 year, and it's $4 off your bus ticket. And you also can camp on this campsite right by your plane. Alright, we just had lunch, and now we're exploring Avalon. So we just passed the casino, and here it's a beach club. So as you can see, it's a little different view, but it's really beautiful. Just 10 minutes of the Avalon. So we're gonna go explore. Hopefully we can find some spots and check the water. Alright, we are back at Montgomery. As you could see, Catalina Island is a beautiful place and really a nice destination to fly to. It felt like we just never have enough time when we go there, so we'll definitely visit it again. If you liked this video, please like it, subscribe, and we'll see you on our next adventure.